Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable miter saw stands that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Toyaki miter saw stand with wheels. This stand offers a heavy-duty design that supports up to 500 pounds, making it a robust option for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. The standout feature here is its portability, thanks to integrated wheels and foldable legs. Moving your tools around the job site becomes significantly easier, which is a big plus for professionals constantly on the go. The quick-release mounting brackets also make it simple to attach and remove your miter saw, increasing overall efficiency. However, the build quality leaves room for improvement. While the lightweight construction makes it easy to transport, it feels less sturdy compared to other stands in this price range. The 3.3-star customer rating suggests mixed experiences, with some users praising its portability and others noting issues with stability. That said, the adjustable support arms are a nice touch, accommodating longer workpieces with relative ease. This stand is ideal for those who prioritize portability and don't mind sacrificing some stability. It's a decent choice for lighter, occasional use, but for demanding tasks, you may want to look elsewhere. Overall, it gets the job done, but doesn't quite stack up to the competition in terms of durability and user satisfaction. Taking the 4th spot is the Workus Lightweight Universal Miter Saw Stand. With a load capacity of 330 pounds, this stand is a solid mid-range option for users who need a reliable yet portable solution. The design is compact, and the stand folds easily for storage and transportation, making it a great choice for those with limited workshop space. The quick-release mounting brackets add a layer of convenience, allowing you to attach and detach your saw in seconds. Performance-wise, the Workus stand strikes a good balance between functionality and ease of use. The adjustable roller supports provide flexibility, accommodating a variety of workpieces. However, with a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, it may not be the best fit for heavy-duty tasks. It's also worth noting that the 4.3-star customer rating is respectable, but some users reported that the stand feels slightly less robust compared to higher-end options. This stand is perfect for weekend warriors and hobbyists who need a compact, easy-to-use miter saw stand for light to medium-duty projects. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of premium models, it's a practical and budget-friendly choice for everyday use. At number 3, we have the Bora Portamate Miter Saw Stand with Pedestal Roller. This heavy-duty model can support up to 500 pounds, making it an excellent choice for professional-grade tasks. The build quality is impressive, with a durable, powder-coated steel frame designed to resist wear and tear. The quick-release mechanism for the legs ensures easy setup and takedown, and the included pedestal roller adds extra support for longer workpieces. One of the highlights of this stand is its versatility. It's compatible with a variety of tools, including tile saws and planers, making it a multifunctional addition to your workshop. The adjustable height of the pedestal roller is another thoughtful feature, providing additional support when working with large, unwieldy materials. However, at 38.7 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which might make transportation a bit cumbersome for some users. The Bora Portamate is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who need a durable, stable stand that can handle heavy loads. While it's not the most portable option, its robust construction and added features make it a reliable workhorse for demanding projects. Our runner-up is the Steelman Contractor Miter Saw Mobile Workstation. This premium option stands out for its professional-grade strength and thoughtful design. Made from high-grade steel, it supports up to 500 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The universal mount accommodates most miter saws, and the adjustable in-feed and out-feed supports extend from 35 to 77 inches, providing ample space for large materials. What sets this stand apart is its user-friendly features. The folding legs with quick-release levers make setup and storage a breeze, and the capped feet ensure that it won't damage finished surfaces. The inclusion of wheels adds to its portability, making it easier to move around the job site. At 40.8 pounds, it's one of the heavier options, but the robust construction justifies the weight. The Steelman mobile workstation is best suited for professionals and serious DIYers who need a reliable, versatile stand for demanding projects. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its durability and user-friendly features make it worth the investment. And finally, taking the top spot is the Wen Universal Collapsible Miter Saw Stand. As the budget option in this lineup, it offers incredible value without compromising on quality. The universal design fits almost every miter saw on the market, and the sturdy steel frame supports up to 350 pounds. The stand's collapsible design makes it highly portable, and it folds flat for easy storage. The adjustable support arms extend from 36 to 80 inches, accommodating workpieces up to 8 feet long. Additional features like adjustable height rollers, quick-release brackets, and a powder-coated finish make this stand a standout choice. At just 25.9 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, and the 2-year warranty provides added peace of mind. The Wen Miter Saw Stand is perfect for DIYers and weekend warriors looking for a reliable, affordable option. While it may not have the load capacity of higher-end models, its portability, ease of use, and excellent price-to-performance ratio make it an unbeatable choice for everyday use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.